Hey, welcome back everyone. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Guess what? Today's episode is super fun and useful, right Sam?
That's right. Today we're talking about daily routines. Those little things we do every day, like brushing our teeth, eating breakfast, and going to bed.
And here's the fun part. First, we'll show you 20 common daily activities, and we want you to repeat after us. Then, we'll talk more about these activities in detail.
Sounds great! Let's get started.
The first thing that happens in the morning is waking up. This is when your eyes open and you stop sleeping. Wake up. Repeat after me. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. After you wake up, you get out of bed. You put your feet on the floor and stand up. Get out of bed. Repeat after me. Get out of bed. I slowly get out of bed. I slowly get out of bed. After you get out of bed, it's time to brush your teeth. This helps keep your teeth clean and fresh. Brush my teeth. Repeat after me. Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth to keep them clean and fresh. I brush my teeth to keep them clean and fresh. Now you wash your face with water. This helps you feel fresh and awake. Wash my face. Repeat after me. Wash my face. I wash my face to feel refreshed. I wash my face to feel refreshed. After washing your face, you take a shower. Take a shower. Repeat after me. Take a shower. I take a warm shower to wake up. I take a warm shower to wake up. After the shower, you pick your clothes and get dressed. You wear something comfortable or nice for the day. Get dressed. Repeat after me. Get dressed. I get dressed and ready for work. I get dressed and ready for work. After getting dressed, you comb your hair. This helps make your hair look nice. Comb my hair. Repeat after me. Comb my hair. I comb my hair to make it look nice. I comb my hair to make it look nice. Now, it's time to eat breakfast. You should eat something healthy to give you energy for the day. Have breakfast. Repeat after me. Have breakfast. I eat a healthy breakfast to start my day. I eat a healthy breakfast to start my day. After breakfast, you leave the house and go to work or school. You are ready to start your day. Go to work or school. Repeat after me. Go to work or school. I leave my house and go to work or school. I leave my house and go to work or school. When you arrive at work or school, you start working or studying. You focus on your tasks and learn new things. Work or study. Repeat after me. Work or study. When you arrive at work or school, you start working or studying. After working or studying for a while, it's time to take a break and eat lunch. It's important to relax and eat something. Have lunch. Repeat after me. Have lunch. I have lunch every day at 12 o'clock. I have lunch every day at 12 o'clock. After lunch, you can take a short walk. This helps you feel better and gives you more energy. Take a short walk. Repeat after me. Take a short walk. I take a short walk to feel refreshed. I take a short walk to feel refreshed. After your break, you go back to work or study. You finish your tasks and learn more. Continue working or studying. Repeat after me. Continue working or studying. I get back to work or studying. I get back to work or studying. After working, it's a good idea to exercise. Exercise keeps your body healthy. Exercise or do exercise. Repeat after me. Exercise or do exercise. I did some exercise this morning. I did some exercise this morning. After exercising, you relax. You take a break to calm down and feel good. Relax. Repeat after me. Relax. I take a break and relax. I take a break and relax. After doing all my work, I go home. Go home. Repeat after me. Go home. I go home by bus. I go home by bus. It's time to have dinner. You enjoy your evening meal with your family or friends. Have dinner. Repeat after me. Have dinner. I had a delicious dinner last night. I had a delicious dinner last night. After dinner, you can watch television. This is a time to enjoy a show or movie. Watch television. Repeat after me. Watch television. I watch my favorite television show. I watch my favorite television show. Before bed, you read a book. This helps you relax and prepare for sleep. Read a book. Repeat after me. Read a book. I read a lot of books. I read a lot of books. Before going to bed, you brush your teeth again. This keeps your teeth clean for the night. Brush my teeth again. Repeat after me. Brush my teeth again. I brush my teeth before sleeping. I brush my teeth before sleeping. Finally, you go to bed. You lie down and sleep, resting for the next day. Go to bed. Repeat after me. Go to bed. I go to bed and sleep well. I go to bed and sleep well. So, Sam, do you have a daily routine or do you just do things whenever?
I like to have a simple routine, but I don't always follow it strictly. For example, I wake up at the same time every day and brush my teeth right after. What about you, Lily?
I really like having a routine. It helps me stay organized. I wake up and then wash my face before breakfast. It makes me feel ready for the day.
That's a good habit. I also like to take a short walk after lunch. It helps me stay active the rest of the day.
Wow, that's a good idea. Do you exercise every day?
Not every day, but I try to exercise at least 3 times a week. What about you?
I do some light stretching every morning, but I prefer to exercise in the evening.
That's nice. And what do you do before bed? Do you read or watch television?
I usually listen to some music. It helps me relax and sleep better. And you?
I sometimes watch a short television show, but I try not to look at screens too much before bed.
That's smart. Having a good routine helps us stay healthy and feel good every day.
Exactly. And now we want to hear from you. What's your daily routine? Let us know in the comments.
Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos and share it with your friends who want to learn English. Take care until the next video, and goodbye.